everyone. We're going to do a makeup tutorial to get you ready for recital. And we're going to start first with lip liner and lipstick. So all of the students will need to have on lipstick or lip gloss if you don't want lipstick on your little ones. So for your lip liner, you're just going to line the outside of the lips. After you outline the lips, then you're going to use your lipstick. From here, you can either leave the lipstick just as it is, or if you'd like to put a layer of lip gloss over it, you can do that too to give it a little extra shine. Okay, and let's see your lipstick, I'm sorry. Turn this way. Okay, so all of our students will have on lipstick or at least lip gloss. This is our preschoolers and up. For our preschoolers, the only other thing that you really need to add here is is blush. So for the blush, you'll get some blush on your brush, and then you're gonna kind of sink your cheeks in a little bit, and you're gonna start at the cheekbone and work your way up. So you want to start just right here at the cheekbone, right here, and up. So all you're doing is highlighting your cheekbones with the blush. And that's going to, underneath the stage lights, it's going to cause you to have a really nice look on stage. You want to be sure that you're not doing circular motions like a clown's blush, but rather you're starting from the cheekbone and working up and out. Okay, so if your child is preschooler or younger, then that is all the makeup they need to do. We want them to still look like babies. We don't want them looking like they're 16. So that is all for our Leap and Learn, Leap and Learn classes and preschoolers. The next thing we're going to look at is doing mascara. So the mascara, you're going to want to do the top lashes and the bottom lashes. And this will be for everybody above preschool age. So any student that is 5 and up can add the mascara. And you're going to do the top and the bottom lashes. Our gymnastics students can all stop at this point. They can do just the blush, lipstick, and mascara.
But do they have to?
They don't have to. Good question. No, if they want to do eyeshadow as well, they can add eyeshadow. And this, again, is totally up to the parents, too. We don't want your child having more makeup than you wish for them to have. The key here for the makeup is that we just want to be sure that their face isn't getting washed out on stage or underneath the stage lights. Our hip hop students and our dance 2 students, we do recommend that you do some light eyeshadow. Okay, and then look at it. And that is all the makeup you really need to do for on stage. If you want to do more, you can feel free to do more, but we do, again, want all of our students to look their age. We don't want them looking like they're way older than what they are. As a little extra for our hip hop students and dance 2 students, you can add some eyeliner. And Daisy, close your eyes for a minute. So it comes just above the eyelashes and extends out a little past the outer corner of the eye. And look up, and then look towards me. And that's going to give the eyes a little bit more pop when you're on stage. Again, this I would only recommend for our level 2 students and up. So that would be children who are over 8, and primarily for dance 2 or hip hop. If you have any questions on makeup, please let let us know, and you can also refer to your recital handout. Thanks so much. Can't wait to see you in the show.